Good day everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial in which we'll be looking at how to create a purchase order and do a GRV on it. So we're going to start by looking at how you prepare the purchase order, and after that we'll move on to creating the GRV for it once you receive the goods. So the first thing you need to do is go to your stock tab. Once it's open, you'll click on stock receive. Then you move on to create stock order. You click on that. Okay. So from this new window, it shows you the various suppliers that you have on your database. So you can select from your list there, or if you like to search, you can type in the name of your supplier there, or you can use the account ID or TPIN. So in our example, we're going to pick Abef as our supplier. Okay. So what's the purpose of this purchase order? We're going to say bottles of okay, so once you put your reference for whatever it is you're ordering, you click on confirm. A new window will appear. So in this new window, that's where we're going to specify the quantity of what we want to order. Okay. So on this tab here, you can enter the code of the item, that's the item you're ordering, or you can use the search button. If you click on it, it's going to open a new window showing all the products that this supplier usually supplies to you. So that's the products you have on your database that you get from the supplier. Okay, so you click on what you want. Okay, you specify the quantity, how much of whatever it is you want. So let's assume you want 200 of that. I'm sure you've noticed that it will bring the total of what we're ordering. That's the total amount that we're going to spend on that order. So when you're satisfied with that, you simply click add, and it will be added there. If there's anything else you would like to add, you go back there, select whatever it is, again specify the quantity and add. So I'm not paying attention to the products I'm selecting because this is just an example, so I'm just selecting random products just to show you how we go about it. So when you're done adding all the things that you want to order, you go on save. Okay. Do you want to print the purchase order? It's usually good practice to print this so that you can have hard copies and file them. So you simply confirm, a window will pop up where you select to print. Okay. But if you don't want to print, you just cancel that. So we have created our purchase order, and we can confirm that by coming on view stock order. Okay, select our supplier. So you can see the purchase order we've created is here, and if you would like to have a look at it, you double click on it, it will open. Okay. So now that you have your purchase order, you can do a GRV on it once you receive your stock. So how do you go about doing the GRV? Okay, so you come on stock receive once again, then you are going to come on view stock order, select your supplier. Okay, so there is our supplier that we're looking for, and you go on process. Okay, so when you receive your orders, usually or normally you have an invoice for it. So from that invoice you get the invoice number, and that's what you're going to insert here. So we'll assume it's that and say confirm. A new window will pop up showing the items that you have received. That's from your previous purchase order. You come to the bottom where it says done with GRV, and you click on it. Do you want to print the GRV? Always good practice to print so that you can have hard copy documents. Okay, so you confirm if you want to print. If you do not want to print, simply cancel it. So you have processed your GRV, and you can see it's no longer on the list of pending GRVs. So that's how we go about creating a purchase order and doing a GRV on the purchase order.